Model demonstration of the transverse section of spinal cord and the nerve rootlets along with the spinal nerves. So number 1 represents the gray matter of the spinal cord, the gray matter of the spinal cord. Number 2 represents the anterior column. Number 3 represents the lateral column. And number 4 represents the connections of the gray matter, also known as the gray commissure. Number 5, this one. Number 5 is the anterior nerve root. These are the anterior nerve roots. And number 6, again for orientation, these are the anterior nerve roots. Number 5, and the posterior nerve roots. Number 6, the posterior nerve roots. Number 7 is again the white. This is the white matter. This region represents the white matter. Number 7, the white matter. And number 8, the anterior commissure. The anterior fissure of the spinal cord. This is the anterior fissure, and this is the posterior fissure. These are the lateral grooves of the spinal cord. This one over here. This one represents the lateral grooves of the spinal cord. Anterior sulcus lateralis anterior. And these are the posterior sulcus lateralis posterior. Lateral grooves of the spinal cord, sulcus lateralis posterior. Over here. And number 11 represents the exit of the nerve bundles. Now again, another cross section of the spinal nerves and the gray matter. So we have gray matter over here. Number 12, this whole butterfly shaped structure represents the gray matter. The roots of the nerves. Number 13 represents the roots of the nerves. These are the roots of the nerves, the connections of the gray matter, the central canal, the gray commissure, the white matter of the spinal cord. All of this represents the white matter of the spinal cord. The anterior column, 17. This is the anterior column. Here we'll find the lateral column, anterior column, the anterior fissure. This is the anterior spinal fissure. This is the posterior spinal fissure or sulcus, whatever. The nerve bundles. Anterior tract of the spinal cord. This is the anterior tract of the spinal cord. The anterior tract. This white band represents the anterior tract of the spinal cord. This is the lateral tract of the spinal cord. That lateral tract. And we also have a posterior tract over here. Posterior tract of the spinal cord. So that's it. These are the spinal nerves. The posterior ramus, anterior ramus. The posterior nerve rootlet, the anterior nerve rootlet, and they form the spinal cord. And they form the spinal nerve. So that's it. Thank you.